Hi everyone. Fall is perfect time to prepare garden beds for next season. And if you're feeling for it, you should plant a fall and winter garden as well. Because you can get surprisingly large amount of harvest from it. Let us show you how to achieve this. We are going to clean out these tomato and marigold plants by cutting the stem off. We will leave the roots in to decompose and provide organic matter for soil microorganisms. Since we had tomatoes here which are heavy feeders, we are spreading about a cup of organic chicken manure in this bed, which is 20 square feet in area. We are also spreading a layer of homemade compost. We plan to do fall and winter gardening, so we will cover this area with low tunnels when it gets cold. But we are putting the low tunnel supports right now because this gives us an idea of what areas will stay under the low tunnel, and that way we can plant inside that area to make sure all of our plants will be covered. Our soaker hose was partially buried, so we have pulled it up so that roots of our fall plants don't grow very close to it. We will remove the hose in winter. But we are not removing it just yet. Fall is surprisingly dry and we need soaker hose to keep plants watered. This area is ready now and we will start transplanting kale first. As we dig holes, we work the compost and manure into the soil. We will not do this for the whole bed though. If you don't plan to plant anything now, the last step would be to mulch your garden bed with fall leaves or grass clippings or any other mulch that you use. Fall is also a good time to prepare new garden beds for next year, and there is no need for digging ground. Our whole garden is no-dig garden, and setting up a no-dig garden bed is so easy. We have covered it in detail in this video, so do check it out.